In this video, we will showcase how to relight the pilot light on your water heater in your Perry home. First, check to ensure that gas is on at your boiler. The valve should be parallel with the line. Next, turn the knob to the pilot setting and press down. While pressing down the pilot knob, press the green igniter until you can see the pilot light turn on. Once the pilot light is lit, set the pilot knob to on and turn the control to the desired temperature. For more information or support on your boiler, visit the My Account portal on the perryhomes.com website.